Good morning, Saint John's. Pranam, Saint Johnians. Bonjour, Saint Johnians. Namaskar, Saint Johnians.
Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to try just one more time.
A very cheerful and vibrant morning to respected Reverend Father Principal,
Reverend Father Vice Principal,
Sir Supervisor, respected teachers,
and all my cheerful companions.
I, Miss Ayushi,
And I, Miss Ria, and I, Miss Trisha, feel truly honored to begin today's class assembly. Prayer is the key that unlocks peace in our hearts and focus in our minds. It is the bridge between panic and peace.
दुआ का कोई रंग नहीं होता, पर जब ये रंग लाती है तो जिंदगी रंगों से भर जाती है.
So now I call Master Ishan to lead us with prayer, followed by a prayer song.
Position for prayer. Almighty God, Creator of all, I believe that you are everywhere present, and I adore you. I humbly beg you to help me to apply myself to my studies. I pray for the strength to be at my best in everything I do today. I pray for the courage to be always truthful, honest and obedient. I seek your power to be kind and helpful to everyone. Once again I plead for all your blessings, that I may always remain at my best and be pleasing to you.
Patriotism is not a one-day feeling. It is a promise that we make to our country every single morning.
दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. Now I call upon Master Sarthak Kalyankar to lead us in pledge. My country.
India is my country.
All Indians.
All Indians.
Are my brothers and sisters.
Are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud. Of its rich. And varied heritage. I shall always strive. To be worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. And prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. If we truly want to do something and are determined to achieve it, we will find a way to accomplish it, no matter how difficult the path may be. It teaches us the importance of willpower, determination and perseverance.
So, the topic that we have chosen for our class assembly is Where there is a will, there is a way. Jacha Vara.
हम उनमें से नहीं जो अपनी किस्मत पर भरोसा करके बैठ जाएं, पर हम think your life is tough? Well, think again. These legends said, challenge accepted, and then rewrote the game. So, let's see who they are. Well, do you recognize who he is? Well, you're correct. It is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man from a fishing village. Despite being born into a poor family, he went from delivering newspapers to making rockets that delivered satellites. बाकी बच्चे पटाखों वाले रॉकेट्स उड़ा रहे थे, पर डॉक्टर कलाम ने बोला, मेरा डोसा पकड़ो, मैं असली वाला लॉन्च करता हूँ.
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे, अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी. आपका क्या होगा जनाबे अली, आपका क्या होगा?
So, do you know who he is? Well, that's absolutely correct. This is Amitabh Bachchan. Rejected by radio stations for having a bad voice, Bollywood happened. And then, suddenly, everybody wanted to speak like him. From super struggle to superstardom. सोचो किसी ने कहा, साहब, आपकी आवाज बहुत भारी है. अब तो सबको अमित जी का मिमिक्री करने आता है, तो मैं भी कर लेता हूँ. तो नकली अमित जी, ये परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आपको मिलेगा 7 करोड़ आपके सपनों में. तो देवी और सजनों, अब बढ़ते हैं अगले व्यक्तित्व की ओर. So, do you recognize who she is? Who said that? Well, you are absolutely correct. It is none other than Helen Keller. Well, despite being born deaf and blind, she learned to write, to inspire millions. वो अंधे होके भी पूरा दुनिया को इंस्पायर कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे मेरे को सब कुछ दिखता है, पर मुझे फोन का चार्जर नहीं मिलता है. So, किसी को पता है ये कौन है? अरे यार, सबको तो पता है. Yes, it is Hrithik Roshan. In his childhood, Mr. Perfect was told he could not dance and had developed a speaking disorder. Now, he is the definition of dance. लोगों ने कहा, तू तो देते उई आई करके करता है, नाच कैसे पाएगा? अब तो पूरा देश पूछता है, सर, हमको भी ये स्टेप सिखा दीजिए ना. अच्छा, ठीक है, सबको पता है. Last but not the least, we have Milkha Singh. But unfortunately, I don't know much.
Don't worry, we'll tell his story.
So now, friends, let us learn about the life of Milkha Singh.
The year was 1947. India had just become free. But at what cost? Borders were drawn, but rivers ran red with blood. Families were torn apart. And somewhere in the chaos of Punjab, a 12-year-old boy named Milkha was running for his life. He was only 12 when he saw his entire family butchered before his eyes during the partition riots. His last memory of his father, Bhag Milkha Bhag. He had witnessed the unimaginable. His father, mother, brothers all slaughtered in front of his eyes as his home burned behind him. His father shouted just one thing before death claimed him. Bhag Milkha Bhag. Bhag Milkha Bhag. Bhag Milkha Bhag. Bhag Milkha Bhag. And so he ran, not towards a destination. He ran away from pain, from death, from memories too horrifying to speak of. Scene 2. He arrived in India, orphaned, broken, and barefoot. He spent his nights in railway stations and his days stealing food just to survive. He had no shoes, no books, no hope. But somewhere deep inside, a fire had been lit and it refused to go out. Eat, Milkha, you need strength. No, Didi, you eat. I will drink water. We had nothing. No hope, no shoes, no hope. Only the ache of survival. Milkha sees boys stealing coal from a train. He joins them, they are beaten. Even to steal coal for bread, I had to run. Every breath a struggle. The army, discipline and discovery. You want milk, eggs, a blanket, then run 10 miles in 60 minutes. They say war builds warrior, but poverty builds legends. That day, I didn't just run for milk. I ran to escape my past. Rejection after rejection, army selection. Milkha is shown trying to join the army, pushed aside, laughed at, fails again and again. The Indian army rejected him not once, not twice, but 3 times. But he did not curse his fate. He did not fall to the ground and surrender. He simply wiped his tears and tried again. And on the 4th attempt, he made it in. Scene change. Milkha training alone. Milkha is shown running with weights, crawling, pushing himself, bleeding, falling and rising. In the army barracks, he discovered a new enemy, his own limits, and he declared war on them. Every dawn he ran 10 miles through rocky hills with iron chains tied around his waist. He ran until his feet bled, until his legs trembled, and then he ran some more. Scene 3. Rome Olympics. The greatest fall. 1960, Rome, the world watched as India's hope stood at the starting line of the 400-meter Olympic final. And when the gun fired, Milkha flew.
The final
He flew
of the 400
past the
meters
world's
carried out in
best.
history.
He was in the lead.
Of the German Karl Kaufmann and the American Otis Davis, who have both equaled Jones's 1956 world record of 45.2 seconds.
But in a single second of doubt, he made a fatal mistake. He looked back, he hesitated, and history slipped away. He lost the race, he lost the medal, and that loss would haunt him for the rest of his life. That night, he didn't sleep, he didn't eat, asking one question: why did I look back? But Milkha Singh was not born to be defeated, he was born to rise. Scene 4, the redemption race in Pakistan. Milkha enters the stadium in Lahore. Tense faces, rival athletes, waiting. He runs. He wins. Years later, the Pakistani government invited him to race against their national champion. He had sworn never to return to the land of his nightmares. But this was more than a race, it was redemption. The boy who had once escaped Pakistan in blood and tears returned not as a refugee, but as a hero. He ran like fire, like lightning.
This was my first gold.
And when he crossed that finish line, the crowd stood silent. The Pakistani general walked up to him and said, Milkha Singh does not run, he flies. Finale, the torch bearer. He went on to break records, win gold at the Commonwealth Games, and inspire millions. He refused the offer to race professionally abroad. He refused to leave India because he wasn't running for himself, he was running for his country. Do not fear change. Always remember, no matter how hard the problem seems, if you have the will, you will find a way. Let's promise ourselves to be determined towards our goal and work hard to achieve them. La 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 la. Mountains bow before the one who refuses to stop climbing. La 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 la. Your wings already exist. All you need to do is fly. La 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 la. Strong willpower turns obstacles into stepping stones. La 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 la. Dream it, will it, do it, because the way will appear. La 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 la. If your heart is on fire, no storm can put it out. With this, we draw curtains to our class assembly. As this is our last class assembly, we thank Reverend Father Principal for giving us this phenomenal platform to showcase our talents since 5th grade till 10th. We also thank all our teachers who were there with us whenever we needed them and have always been supporting in our academic year. ये आखिरी मंच है यारो, पर हमारा प्यार सदा बसता रहेगा। यारों की टोली, न होगी वो मस्ती, न होगी वो होली, पर ये दिल में हमेशा दस्ता हमेशा रहेगा। ये आखिरी मंच है, पर प्यार सदा बहता रहेगा। Now I call upon the captain of our ship, Reverend Father Principal, to grace the stage and motivate us with his ever-inspiring words of wisdom and encourage us to be as persistent as Milkha Singh. So remember, where there is a will, there is a way.